In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll down again and this time select Font. Now you need to operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. Make sure to hit Apply when you're ready to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!